everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to unpack a book. At the same time, I'll be giving the review of the book. How I can do it, I'll be telling all the things before let me unpack the book. So here is the book. You can see it is from Amazon. And here is the scissor. Let me cut it. Here is the book. The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. And oh, I've thrown out the packet. I don't know. Here is the book. You can see it's beautiful. Wow. Here's the blurb. And oh, the bill is here. Let me tell you, it cost me only 99. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but it cost me only 99. So now, let me tell you why I am giving review before reading this. Basically, I've read this book, so I thought, alright, I have ordered another copy. Like, there is another copy of mine on my bookshelf. You can see, I don't know whether you can see it. So I thought that, alright, like, along with unpacking this one, let me give a short introduction or a short review of it. Basically, the book is about a girl. As all of us, we know it very well. This book is very famous. It's a diary of this beautiful lady, that Anne Frank. Basically, she wrote this diary during the World War II, like the time of Hitler, and she was a Jew. So there were some restrictions that Jews, like those who belongs to Jews, they cannot do this, they cannot do that. For some reason, she had to get hidden with her family, and during that time, all the things, whatever happened to her, what are the things were going on in her family, how many people were there, all of these things she shared through this diary. And as I have known from this particular thing, like she used to call her diary as Kitty. So like, it is not only a diary for her, it was her friend, you say. So all of these things she shared, and you know, like it was a daily work for her to share each and every one of those things, whatever was going on in her time, each and everything at the end of the day with her friend, with Kitty, and everything. At the end of the day, when Anne Frank got caught by the police officer, one day she died. I don't know, but like through some tortures, like the rest of the part wasn't written here, but I came in contact that later word, her father Otto Frank came in contact with the diary, and he thought to publish it, and through help of some people he finally did it. And now we are here. Like we can read this book, we can come in contact with lots of information, we can come in contact what are the things happened with her. And you know, basically what I have understood, whatever she wrote in this particular diary, it wasn't a single experience. It was not only that a simple diary writing. It was her hope. She used to write, you know, one day I'll get out of this thing, one day the war will over, I'll be able to contact with my friends, I'll be able to do the same thing I used to do. So this sort of things, sometimes I just got burst into tears whenever I came in contact with all those tortures, all those sufferings. So that is how the book is. I don't want to just exaggerate it. I don't want to just make it long. So that's the thing I want to talk about, and hope you have liked it. And if you are interested in this, I'll be giving the link in the description. You may buy this one, and definitely it is not going to regret you. Absolutely, it's a beautiful book. It's really a fascinating, beautiful book. I basically got fascinated seeing that how was 13 to 14 years old girl can do this sort of thing. It's properly a literature kind of writing, you know. So that's the thing I want to share, and I thought to do a new thing like unpacking and at the same time reviewing. So that's the thing I have to talk about this book. Hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Till then, you take care and bye. Read, explore, and that's it.